Welcome. In this video I will show you how to measure blood oxygen or SpO2 levels on your Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, press the digital crown on your Apple Watch to open the app list. Then find blood oxygen app on the list and open it. Then tap next and wear your Apple Watch. Make sure that it's slightly higher on your wrist than usual, and also make sure that the strap is snug on your wrist. Rest your hand and place it on the table or any other surface so that you make sure that you don't move it during the test. Then click next. Scroll down and tap done, and then wait for the measurement to be taken after you click start, and wait for 15 seconds. Okay, and right now you can see the results. You can learn more about the results by tapping right here. And you can see more about your blood oxygen levels using Health app on the iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.